Let's learn how you can get into crypto and start mining right from your phone. And the best part is that you don't need any expensive mining equipment. Pi Network allows you to mine Pi coins straight from your phone with no battery drain or high energy costs. With millions of users already on board, now is the perfect time to join this growing digital currency. So firstly, download and install the Pi Network application from your App Store or the Google Play Store. And I'm going to leave the app download link in the description of this video so you can get the right application. Once you open the Pi Network app, the interface is going to look something like this. And our job is to first create a Pi account, which we will then use to start mining Pi and earn money. There are 2 or 3 different methods of creating the Pi account. If you're an iPhone user, you can simply connect your Apple account with the Pi Network by tapping on this Sign In with Apple button. The second option is to create an account by using Facebook. So you'll have to enter your email and password, which are connected to your Facebook account. But the best option, in my opinion, is to continue by using a phone number. When you tap on this option, they'll ask you to enter your phone number and the country in which that number is located. After you enter your number, you'll want to enter a valid email address, which you will use for your Pi Network account. So I'll enter an email 2 times and then continue to the next step. Create a strong password for your account. Our job now is to enter our first and last name, and you'll also want to create a username for your account. Keep in mind that you will have to enter your real name because you'll have to verify your identity in the app later on with a government-issued ID, driver's license, or passport. So enter your real name and we can then go to the next step. If you have an invitation code, you can enter it in this field. But if you don't, just tap on No One Invited Me. You'll now have your Pi Network account, and it was successfully created. Simply tap on this button at the right side of your screen, and then you will start mining the Pi cryptocurrency on your mobile phone. This number at the top of the screen will show you how many Pi coins you have available, and you can see that I have just under 3,000 Pi coins. But that's about it, everyone. Tell me in the comments down below how many coins you have, and you can also tell me what I should cover in the next video about the Pi coin.